Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. It is 10 to 3 p.m. for me in the UK, and today we're going to pick a Abus 54 T1/50, which I got from Scruffy. Another one of his winnings. I've won a couple of his locks in the last couple of months, and this was another one he sent me. Don't have a key for it, so we thought we'd have a go at this. It's been a while since I've picked a standard Abus. But before we start, if you're interested in Locksport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. That's UK less. And find us on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, and at Lockpicking Anonymous on Facebook. And if you like to see my channel and you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. There's about 2 to 3 videos a week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all type of lock stuff related, really. Also giveaways and things like that. Right, let me have a look. Let's look. Get a tension wrench. Also, got to say, the 3D printed stuff I got from Trickmaster 30, which was absolutely awesome stuff. I've had to hide it because my missus keeps trying to steal it. She loves the little pinning trays that you fold open. Let me get one. She loves these, and she keeps trying to steal them because she has no idea what she wants it for. She has no idea what she could use one for. She just wants one, so I've had to hide them. She's not even interested in Locksport. So she just thinks they're cute. But let's see if we can get this open. Picking the hand. Oh, actually, let me turn the camera down a bit. There we go, a bit more light. Right, let's see how we go. Right. No, I can't get a grip. Let's do it this way. I've got to click off 1. That was 3. I hope everybody's okay today, having a nice Sunday. I've just come back from my daily shopping. So exciting. I'll have to go for a reset. The Abuses can be very temperamental. They're either really quick and easy to pick or just tricky. Oh, I think we're nearly... No, I've just overset one. getting cramp in my thumb. Do you know what? I'm going to do this in the vice instead of hand. I'm getting cramped far too much. Definitely age related. I'm going to go back my keyway again. A bit more leverage on the pins. I think I've overset. You know what, go for the top. What we're going to do is I'm going to use a deeper hook. It's got a really wide keyway, this. Do you know what? Dazzy's hooks are really good for padlocks. I'm not being defeated by neighbours of this size. There we go. Wow. The tension wrench just launched across the room. Well, oh. And there we go. That's my lock for Stock Lock Sunday. Very cool lock. Very wide keyway, as you can see. But yeah, open smoothly. Just me losing my patience a little bit. And once I calmed and relaxed and held my breath, it unlocked. So enjoy your Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't want to knock the camera over. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.